Hey there friends, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate one of your web pages within Squarespace. It's really easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so let's say you have designed a page layout, as you can see over here on my pages. Let's go to the About page for this little nonprofit that I made a simple web page for. And let's say you really like the outline of this specific page. You want to duplicate it and then adjust the text and things from there so you have a separate page. Well, what you do is actually come up and highlight the page that you want, and you're going to come over here and you're going to click on this little gear setting. So once I click on that, we're going to get a few options that pop up for us. And on the General tab, I'm actually going to scroll down, and as you can see, one of the options is to duplicate the page. Once you click that, it's going to ask, hey, are you sure you want to do this? I'm going to confirm. And then as you see, it's going to move down here to our unlinked section of our website. So I am going to actually call this, let's call this just test, and that's it. Now, once we have the page created, we can actually bring it up here to the main navigation if we like. So I'm just going to grab it and I'm just going to drag it all the way up. Let's put it right in back of About. And as that updates, you can see that now we have this test page ready to go. It's just that easy. Again, go into the edit function if you want to make changes here and have it appropriate for the page that you created. If you're ready to delete it, all you have to do is come over here and click on this little trash can. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Lets us know we're making helpful videos. And subscribe because we have a bunch more tech tutorial videos and Squarespace tutorial videos coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.